Hello, my name is Evie and I have a really special pattern tutorial for you today. I'm excited to present our first dog accessory pattern, a classic dog bandana. Look how handsome my sweet model is, and he is so proud. We will be making a classic dog bandana and it will look like this. This is an easy sewing pattern and includes 6 sizes. Please choose the correct one. Measure your dog's neck and print the page you need. We'll fold here. The first page explains the marking on the pattern. When you print your pattern, please make sure the little square in the top right corner measures exactly 1 inch or 4 centimeters. This ensures the sizes are accurate. I choose 100% cotton because it wears well. My dog wears the biggest size and this pattern requires sticking 2 parts together. Please do this along the gray line, like so. The brackets shows where to place the pattern on fold. Cut 2 pieces of fabric, one from the main fabric and one from the lining. Iron both pieces well. Ironing is very important. It helps us create items that are truly handcrafted. Now clip both pieces together, but remember to leave the opening. Take your time with this step. Now sew both pieces together with the straight stitch. trim the edges with pinking shears to reduce the bulk in the project. Now turn it right side out using a chopstick or any tool you find helpful. Clip the opening and follow the clipping all the way around. Now close the opening with a straight stitch, continuing to sew all the way around. This will create a cute top stitch. Your dog can go to the park and show off his new fashion style. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more fun and easy sewing projects. Happy sewing and see you next time!